In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. This essential skill will take your Google Forms creation ability up a notch, allowing you to collect more nuanced data from your respondents. So let's dive in and learn how it's done. First, to get started, open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. Google Drive is where you can access all your Google applications, including Google Forms. Once you are in your Google Drive, look for the New button, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over More and you'll see the option for Google Forms. Click on Google Forms and you'll be directed to a new page where you can start working on your form. When you first land there, you'll notice an option to select a blank form or a template. For the purpose of this video, we're going to start with a blank form. Go ahead and click on that option. Now let's give your form a name. You can do this by typing in the top left field that says Untitled Form. Giving your form a meaningful name will not only help you stay organized, but also make it easier for respondents to understand the purpose of your form. After you've named your form, it's a good idea to write a brief description. This is optional but can be incredibly helpful for providing context or instructions to the people filling out the form. Simply click underneath the form's title and you'll see a field where you can enter your description. This helps set expectations and guide the respondents on how to proceed. Now it's time to get into the meat of the form, adding questions. Click on the main area that says Untitled Question. This will allow you to start adding your questions. For ranking questions, click on the drop-down menu next to the question box. Here, we want to focus on ranking, so navigate to the option marked Multiple Choice Grid. This feature allows respondents to rank options across several categories. After selecting this, you'll need to configure it. In the columns section, add labels for each ranking option. Then, under rows, list each item you want respondents to rank. To ensure respondents can't select the same ranking for multiple items, click the three vertical dots in the bottom right of your question field and select Limit to one response per column. This ensures that each option gets a distinct rank. Once your questions are set, make sure you click on the required toggle so respondents can't skip them. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Preview to see what your form will look like to your respondents. If you're satisfied with how it appears, click on Publish and your form is ready to share. And there you have it, a quick guide to adding ranking questions in Google Forms. This method is incredibly useful for gathering prioritized feedback and making your data collection more effective. Thanks for following along and happy form making.